Well. A lot of people realize that I clean carpet and furniture. They don't know that I am a full restoration company. I can do all types of magical things when you have water damage, from a pipe break, or sewage coming in your home, or a hot water tank that breaks. I can help you restore it to its natural appearance like it never happened. I can deal with your insurance company directly. I can deal with you privately. It doesn't matter. I have all kinds of ways. I can do large jobs, medium, small jobs. Give me a call, 216-341-SOAP. The only carpet cleaning company with soap in the number. 216-341-7627. Pensicola. Carpet cleaning and upholstery maintenance. Hey, I got help.